At 6:17 on Thursday evening, Marcus saw the empty chair his daughter had saved for him beside her school project. An emergency at the distribution center had kept him at work. On his phone, 9-year-old Zoe smiled through a short video, then glanced toward that chair. Marcus felt the distance immediately. Before leaving the parking lot, he opened a shopping app and placed an expensive drawing tablet in his cart. The purchase looked like a way to arrive after missing the moment that night. This was not the first time money had followed guilt. After a late pickup came takeout. After a canceled Saturday came new sneakers. After answering work messages through bedtime came a game Zoe had mentioned once. None of the gifts were cruel, useless, or unaffordable by themselves. Marcus loved giving them. The pattern appeared in the timing. An uncomfortable feeling arrived, a purchase followed, and the receipt gave him something concrete to offer. Shopping made emotional repair feel immediate, measurable, and finished each time. Guilt is not proof that Marcus is a bad father. It can signal that a relationship or personal standard matters. Researchers distinguish guilt about an action from shame about the self. Guilt can motivate apology, compensation, and repair. The problem is not feeling it. The problem is letting the fastest available action define what repair means. A purchase can be generous, yet still serve two people differently. The child receives an object while the parent receives relief from an emotion the object never addressed. Work-family guilt is documented, but it does not affect every parent identically. A correlational study of 255 parents of toddlers in Southern California coded accounts about employment and family. Mothers expressed more work-family guilt than fathers, especially guilt about work affecting children. The sample, location, and design limit broad conclusions, and Marcus is not evidence from that study. Its value is narrower. Many parents evaluate work decisions through a relational standard, and the resulting guilt can become a powerful signal to do something quickly. Relational repair is uncertain. An apology may feel awkward. Protected time must be scheduled and kept. A conversation might reveal the child wanted something different. Buying is cleaner. The parent can compare products, choose a price, press a button, and watch a box arrive. The action creates visible evidence of care before the difficult conversation happens. This does not prove guilt causes a specific purchase. It explains why spending can become an appealing substitute when emotion demands action and commerce offers a fast script. A 2025 Ameriprise survey questioned 3,010 U.S. parents of children through age 30. 72% in that sample reported parental guilt. Among them, 52% offered treats or perks, 43% overspent on an item or experience, and 33% went beyond an original budget. The survey included asset thresholds and was commissioned by Ameriprise, so it does not represent every American parent or establish causation. Still, it captures attention. Love, pressure, and money can enter the decision before a boundary is named. Consumer researchers use the term material parenting when goods express love or shape a child's behavior. 3 studies found support for pathways connecting material rewards in childhood with materialism reported in adulthood. The findings do not mean gifts damage children, warm parents create materialism, or one tablet predicts value. Pathways are not destiny. The useful insight is about repetition. Possessions can quietly become a language for reassurance, reward, or identity. When goods repeatedly carry emotional jobs, families may learn meanings no single purchase intended. Children need objects, enjoy surprises, and remember meaningful gifts. Parents can spend generously without guilt driving the choice. Research on adult gift exchanges found experiential gifts strengthen relationships more than material gifts because they evoke stronger emotion. Those experiments were not a rule for every child, family, budget, or occasion. They do not make a museum visit morally superior to a winter coat or art tablet. They simply widen the menu. Connection can be supported by an object, an experience, time, or several together. Marcus believed the tablet would make Zoe feel remembered, but Zoe had not asked for it after the showcase. He opened the app before asking what she wanted. That sequence mattered. The first benefit arrived in the parking lot before any package could reach her. Marcus felt less helpless because he had chosen an action. The purchase might still delight Zoe, yet delight would not prove that it repaired the empty chair. A good product and an emotional substitute can occupy the same box. The hidden cost is larger than one checkout. Guilt spending can pull money from college savings, family experiences, repairs, retirement, or need. It can also make boundaries inconsistent. No means no on ordinary days, then guilt turns it into yes. The child may never demand this pattern. The parent can create it privately. Over time, relief becomes expensive because each missed moment seems to require a symbol. The aim is not tighter parenting or fewer gifts. It is separating relationship repair from purchase approval. Marcus used 3 words: repair, reason, range. First, repair the missed moment before entering a store. Second, name the reason for the purchase and identify who receives relief first. Third, return to a spending range chosen on a calm day. For optional guilt-triggered purchases, he paused overnight. The method does not forbid generosity or pretend time solves every need. It changes the order. Connection comes before checkout, motive becomes visible, and money returns to a rule that existed before guilt demanded immediate proof of love. Marcus began with repair. He told Zoe that he had missed something important and wanted to see what she had built. He did not defend the emergency or offer the tablet. He asked for a replay Saturday morning and put it on the family calendar. Repair can be an apology, attentive conversation, rescheduled ritual, help, or time protected from interruption. It cannot always erase disappointment. Its purpose is honesty. Address the relational event directly before asking a product to carry an apology it cannot speak. Next came reason. Marcus wrote, "I want the tablet to prove I am still present." That did not condemn the gift. It exposed its secret job. He then asked 3 questions. Did Zoe request this now? Would he approve it without tonight's guilt? Does it meet a need, shared plan, or celebration already recognized by the family? A yes can support the purchase. A no can reveal that the card is treating the parent's discomfort first. Either answer becomes useful when it is completely honest. Range moved the decision from emotion back to the household plan. Marcus and his partner had categories for school needs, birthdays, activities, and spontaneous treats. The tablet exceeded the calm day range for an unplanned gift. He saved it instead of buying it and waited overnight. A range may be a dollar cap, category, frequency, or funding source. It should fit the household, not another family's rule. Larger purchases still require research. The overnight pause merely prevents one urgent feeling from becoming the entire approval process. Saturday morning, Zoe rebuilt her display on the kitchen table. She asked Marcus to test the bridge, study 3 photos, and hear why one design failed. They spent 40 minutes together that morning. Later, Marcus asked about digital drawing. Zoe liked it, but preferred markers for her next project. They chose it within the planned range. The tablet stayed saved for a birthday discussion, not canceled forever. Marcus still regretted the empty chair. He no longer needed a box to pretend it had been filled. Think of a purchase that followed parental guilt. Which step would change it most? Repair, reason, or range? Comment 1 word without sharing a child's name, image, or story. Subscribe to Hidden Wealth Systems, then continue with the money, status, and relationships playlist. Generosity is not the problem. The pattern begins when a purchase must repair what only attention, honesty, or a clear boundary can address. Put connection before checkout. Keep gifts as gifts, not evidence that you care. See the pattern. Change the outcome.